Okay. I'm not well, I might be a little sleep deprived. One of the little loved Furbies had surgery. It's on the bed. I don't think he slept well. I didn't sleep well. I have to work today. Then we're going on a road trip tomorrow. We're on holiday for a week, at least. Maybe I need a longer vacation. I don't know. Anyway, this is my Fabfitfun unboxing. I've not had any caffeine yet. Only electrolytes. That I'm almost done with. I've been up for 2 hours and my work day has not begun yet. So we got stickers, other stuff, nice little book, stuff to recycle, more paper. Oh, I believe I got glasses. Do I have glasses to go on my road trip tomorrow? Blue light blocking eyewear. I don't think that'll work for my road trip. This is for the computer. Computer wear. Pewter. This is the summer box. It has taken me forever to get time to film this video because, I don't know, it's summertime. Yeah, this is computer wear. This is for me to look nerdtastic. Really look like the nerdy grandma. Let's carry off the nerdy grandma look. Oh, let's move this out of the way. That's in the wrong box. I'm feeling nerdtastic. This is grandma at 5 in the morning. Just saying. 5 a.m. Here we are. Okay. I don't know what part of that was in the book. That was probably not number 1. If I would be so lucky. Probably not. Don't see it. I'm lost. So lost. What's we got? Where's number 1? Where's number 2? So not anywhere. Maybe I should have looked at this before I started this video. Maybe I shouldn't do this so early in the morning. Okay, what's in the box? It's not numbered this time. So, Nectar, the blue light blocking glasses. Okay, did that one. Then I did this cute little tray. I thought it would be cute up on my little dresser. The little that holds the little things. I obviously cannot speak either this time in the morning. Now, let me point out for my people that like makeup, beauty, skincare stuff. I will point out one thing. When I do Fabfitfun, I do more of the home style, home decor, lifestyle stuff versus skincare, makeup, and stuff. I have a lot of makeup, skincare things, guys. A lot. Like, each category is in a lot of 3 digits. So, work with me here. Work with me! I don't see the tray on here. Oh, it's on the next page. Okay, so tray. Oh, okay. Now I figured it out. Okay, so that was, so the glasses was customization 3. They have done this differently. Customization 5 was the tray. Obviously, they do not put this, and it was the to the market tray. So, for customization, the 90 was customization 2, is the one I got. Let me show how grainy I was. I got the 90. Yeah. It looked fun. Because it was like the options were like, for 2 was the resistance bands, which I already have. Jewelry case, way too small for what I own. The cooler bag, already own. Boost moisturizer, didn't need. Bluetooth speaker, already have. Salsa guac bowls, didn't need. Shampoo and scalp massager, didn't need. So it came down to Ruffle Mighty. Thought, what the hey? Let's have a new Ruffle Mighty. And it was sleeveless for the summer. Perfect. So that's what I got. Next. Ooh. Neoprene. Got the green one. Beach bag. Not that I live by the beach, but I do like movie day with the grandson, and I thought, you know, it was like pink and red or blue-green. So this, I thought was cool. And a lot of times when I'm doing stuff with the pups, like if we go to the park, I can pack like the water bottle and their little bowls and their snacks. And honestly, and this sounds really weird, if I have to hold one and, you know, their stuff, this really cool, I really like this. It was just really neat. So just like stuff, if I have to pack some stuff with the little prince and the Belle, the grandkids, I could pack some stuff in there. So I thought this was really neat. Now that we're going on a road trip, this is really cool. Like if we go down, like the hotel, we go down to the pool. But if I have like the wet stuff, I don't have to put it in the suitcase. I can wrap it and put it in this. So the option was the CC Me Summer Fridays serum, nah. Multi-wear wrap, Clean Me in Teal by PMD, I already have one of those. Outdoor blanket, didn't need that. Wine chiller, no. Tie-dye towel, not really. So this was perfect. I always like bags, so I like that option. Okay, so now I did get a couple things. I am a sucker for watermelon spray. Ciate. So option 4, I know we're skipping so far around, was the Ciate Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. It was watermelon setting spray. Hello, guys. Hello. I couldn't say. Okay, let me tell you the options here. Let's put this out here. The vitamin C face serum, that potentially, but I had so many of them. Then there was the shimmering gold oil. I don't do the sun thing, so that really didn't work. Then there was like the brain teasers, activity books. I have a shelf full. Half used, half of them not. But this was a watermelon setting spray. People, setting spray. So, yeah. And then the last one, they really wanted to get you the pineapple tray. I already have it. I bought it. Workout socks, had them. Crap, did they send that to me? So I did the Lashes MD eyelash conditioner because I was like, that's cool. So I did this one. Because the other options was like the glow facial mask. No. Collagen infusion. I don't trust most skincare that says that. I've showed that most of them actually are not, that don't truly work. Eye serum. I have a dresser full of eye serum. Pore cleansing clay mask. Truffle therapy cleansing cream. I have that one. Eye gels. I have a drawer full. Workout socks. I have them. Like I said, So I had, in customization 6, really I had everything, or I exceeded the inventory amount for that criteria, except Lashes MD. Ta-da! So, for Fabfitfun, I got my home decor stuff, I got a nightie, I got a new bag, watermelon, setting spray. I got my nerdy glasses. Where'd I just put them? I lost them already. See, glasses just don't last long with me. I have already lost them. Did I really already lose them? That is how talented I am. I have already lost the nerdy glasses. Did I really already? Ta-da! Yuki, where'd I put them? Did I lose? Mom lost the glass. Ah, okay. I hid them under the book. So I have my nerdy glasses. The tortoise. They're beautiful. I mean, they're perfect. So I have the nerdy glasses. I think I'll wear them to work today. See how long. The nerdy glasses are on. The ring light says, "There you are." Nerdy glasses. I have 2 ring lights. Body armor. Coffee is in my future. Tara is out. Love you all. If you get through this, and when I hit 300 subscribers, there will be a drawing. Be subscribed. Make a comment. Enjoy my craziness. Grandma's getting senile. Love you.